What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I want to show you the Squalo Aero kit on the Ferrari 296 GTB that actually looks pretty good in my opinion, but I'm going to leave the open-end question hot or not for you guys, but I'll tell you all about it before we get to that question at the end of the video. Now, with that said, I'm going to leave the DMC link to this kit in case anyone wants to purchase it in my description below. And no, I am not sponsored by DMC whatsoever, but I just wanted to help you guys out. I was going to show it off, and you know, if you want to buy it, go for it. Now, the Ferrari 296 GTB Squalo is a DMC signed tuning on the latest hybrid supercar from the prancing horse manufacturer, and it is characterized by the aerodynamic kit in forged carbon fiber and by the power of the engine pushed to the altitude of 888 horsepower. Now, to lovers of modern things, you could say that the payment can also be made with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and it may be strange that a sports car whose deliveries have not yet started already has an elaborate version offered to temptation of those who want something different. Now, at the moment, the model is in digital form, but when you have a name like DMC, you can afford to faithfully anticipate what customers will have in the real world. Now, the German tuner started with a delicate tuning of the engine brought to a maximum power of 888 horses, which is about 60 more than standard. Now, the electric hearts have not been touched, so they still provide their starting figures. The interventions focus instead on the endothermic engine, refining some of its aspects to obtain the supplement of energy. Now, the Dusseldorf engineers did not limit themselves to mechanical care, but also made some changes to the aesthetic canvas with carbon fiber components called to support the additional power and to modify the appearance of the starting model for a more racing key. Now, the Ferrari 296 GTB Squalo has spoilers, side skirts, and other elements that increase aggressiveness, such as the eye-catching rear wing. Now, the 21-inch front end and 22-inch rear end professional forged wheels developed with the Canadian rim manufacturer Pure Wheels contribute to the stage. The tires are the size 255/30 ZR21 at the front and 315/25 ZR22 at the rear. Now, there's no limit on personal taste and color choices, and the range of adaptations is infinite. The performance of the Ferrari 296 GTB Squalo is remarkable, with acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.8 seconds and from 0 to 200 kilometers in 7.1 seconds. Now, for the superior aerodynamic resistance, the top speed drops to 308 kilometers. I think that's probably enough. The German workshop, after having presented a body kit for the Roma, thus returns to work on the sports car for the prancing horse. You can imagine that mechanical musicality, even on the Ferrari 296 GTB Squalo, will be very exciting. So let me know, what do you guys think about this Squalo kit from DMC for the 296 GTB? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the upcoming Ferrari 296 GTB Squalo. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want stickers, coffee mugs, backpacks, Kango hats, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.